kuskil 2012.
kas sa tahad mind filmida, kui ma sõidan oma tõukerattaga?
Vaata kaameras.
Nii et siis jah.
Lähme sõidame.
In the tri-state, we the pre-game or the entree. Forget what they say, I do it my way. You moving fast, not looking straight. That's a blind fade. I move at a steady pace, sharper than machetes. Ain't focus to the point. If I keep spitting, I might levitate. The rest of y'all think you spitting heavy. It's just penny weight. Anyway, I might kick something great and make the hair on your head turn gray like a rainy day. Shook cats, no chase for my Henny Black. I spit like bullets from the mag through the semi-black. Live shows, even acapellas move the crowd. Don't turn my mic down. It's fold up like the cards are face down. In love with that raw sound. It's my flow game's proper. Prepared and on board for the drama. Your heart will pause for a second like a comma. Big bass, baggy jeans, head nod music. Not worry about what they pursuing. This is how I do it. Stacking broccoli. I eat fast like Kobayashi. The coldest one inside your camp ain't got the skill to stop me. Not sane, psychotic on the track. Politicking in the club with a model in the back. Check the flyness. My occupation should be aviation. If you don't feel what we creating, then you fucking hate.
It's about who you are, it ain't about who you know. When I don't have to be water in a pool to flow, I'm like a baby's ass. I'm so smooth, you know. When y'all whack, that's something I ain't have to go to school to know. I'm in the booth and I'm laughing, I'll kill everybody, no problem. I do it with rapping. Chilling in the room with assassins. I'll shoot at you, trash you like you do with a napkin. With some produce rappers, come and get the freshness. Now watch this beat bring me to life like Evanescence. I know I'm hood with my grammar. Call me Tim Toolman Taylor, bitch, I'm good with my hammers. A lot of rappers out, but admit we're the truest so far. We smoke cats like a Cuban cigar. Made a chick burn rubbers like you in a car. And